above 20, I need seniors only. I don't want to derive the one more column. I need existing column age values. I want to replace with the juniors and seniors only. How can we do that? Anybody got it? My question here, or anybody bit confusing? Modify. Okay. How can you can create new data set only? My question is, you can create the new data set, but in my new data set also, I need same columns only. I don't want to derive the new column here. So, but finally, I want to display the age values are juniors and seniors only. I don't want 11, 12, 13, 14. Instead of the 11, 12, 13, 14, I need juniors. Got it, my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, is the screen is frozen?
Sorry? Everybody see my screen here. Anybody not visible? My screen is not visible. Please disconnect and again reconnect. Yeah. Yeah.
So data AB1, set AB.
Okay, data AB1, set to AB.
Where age less than.
Where age? Why where age? Yeah.
But if age less than 50,
If age less than 50, age less than or equal to
less than 50,
25, 25, then
age equal to
age is equal to juniors.
juniors. Yes.
No. Next, if age greater than
Age greater than 25,
then age is equal to
seniors.
seniors. Well, that's only. No values. Anyone? Already discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The age is a numeric variable. Juniors as character. There is no dollar symbol here. Age not ends with the dollar symbol. You are replacing the numbers with characters. Then that's the reason here displaying the dot value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. But when we are using the new variable, then only it works.
Yeah, that is a new variable. For example,
Yes,
level.
sir.
Level. Then it works only because level I am going to create one column. If I am using single quotes, then that is a character variable. If I mention number, then that is a numeric variable.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I am submitting, it works only. But we have created extra column, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in this scenario, very lengthy process, you have to drop which column? Age column. You have to rename which column? Level to age. Now, if I am submitting this one, we can see here only age values, juniors and seniors are there. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But again, this is I am not expecting like this only because we use the drop and rename very lengthy process only. Okay. So I want to use the same for next data set also. Same AC data set also. Again, drop rename is required for AC also. Yes or no? Wherever 11 to 20 below 25 age values are there, I want to display the juniors or seniors for my AC dataset and for my AD dataset also. Every time the same type of coding is required. Yes or no? Drop is equal to age, rename is equal to level and age. Every time is required. Okay. So to avoid this purpose, okay, we can use proc format procedure only. What is the purpose of proc format? Only one time is enough. So as of now, in our previous classes, we have discussed the system defined formats. System defined formats are nothing but we have discussed the numeric, we have discussed the date formats, we have discussed the character formats also, like DDMMYY, MMDDYY, YYMMDD, date with that. Okay, so any DT, DTE with that, all these things are we have discussed under date formats. And comma with that, percent with that, dollar with that, we have discussed under numeric formats. Dollar with that, dollar char with that, upcase with that, we have discussed under character formats only. Those are the system defined formats, but we can create user defined formats also. How to create the user defined formats? That purpose will be used the proc format procedure. So DDMMYY is a one format, but you can use your name also. Okay, Charan with the data only. So that is my format name. You can use your name also. But how to create our own format? That purpose in SAS we have separate procedure is there. That is a proc format procedure. I will write a syntax first, then I will explain. Proc format lib is equal to lib name only. So tomorrow I will explain how to create the permanent libraries. Proc format lib is equal to library name, then value is a one statement only. Especially value statement we can use only in proc format procedure. By using value statement we can define the user defined format. Value is needed. In proc set procedure we have discussed the by statement. In proc content procedure var num is a one option. Each and every procedure wise options are different, statements also different. In proc format procedure, our statement is called value. Value is a my statement. Next one is a FMT name. FMT name is nothing but format name only, your wish. You can write it your name also, format name. Next one is a coded values. Coded value is equal to user defined value. What is mean by coded value? Coded values are nothing but, so 11 is my coded value, 12 is my coded value, 13 is my coded value. User defined value is nothing but what you are expecting, that is a user defined value. Okay, again one more coded value is there. Write it, coded value is equal to user defined value only. User defined values means like seniors and juniors, that is my user defined value, semicolon and run it only. So this is our proc format procedure. Now I will go for here commenting this part. This is a commenting part only. So I will be used the same thing, proc format. Lib is equal to work only because I am creating my format under work library. Next one is a value is a one statement. By using value statement we can define the our own format. Here I am creating my format for which column? Age column. Age is my variable. For each column wise I am creating one separate format. Here don't use column name as a format name. Column name and format name it should be different. So age is my column name. Here I am using age F only. So age is my column. Age wise I am creating the age F. F stands for format only, your vision. So here I am creating one format. My format name is a age F only. So what is our condition? My condition is a below 25. I need juniors only. So what are the coded values? So what is your lowest age value? 11. What is your highest age value? 25. 11 to 25 in between I want to display the, so coded values are 11 to 25. So here this is a lowest age value and highest age value must be separated by dash. 11 to 25, these are the two age values. I need these values. Always I want to display the juniors only. Juniors. When my age values 11 to between means in between 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever. I need all those age values comes under juniors only. Next one is a above 25. It means 26 to. So our age is a, for example, what is our last age value? 51. So here I am giving 55 is equal to seniors only. Seniors. Okay, for example, I don't know what is the lowest age value, what is the highest age value. Then we can use, instead of the 11, we can use low. Low stands for 25 and below 25, whatever age values are there. Maybe our age value is a 5, 6, 7, even negative amount values also comes under low category. 25 and below 25, all age values we can display under juniors category. 26 and high. High stands for 26 and above 26 values. I want to display seniors category. Then semicolon and run it. So here what is my format name? AgeF is my format name. I want to assign this AgeF format to my variable. What is my variable? Age only. Now I want to print this one. What is my data set? Print data is equal to AB semicolon. Then how to use the format only. Okay, how to use the format here? That purpose. So we are using format. So what is my variable? Age is my variable. I am using age at data only. Okay. So run it. Here system defined formats, user defined formats, both are must be separated. Both are must be ends with the dot symbol. Don't forget this one. Okay, so here I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, here AgeF is my format here. Here I use the ends with the dot symbol. Whether that is a system defined formats or user defined formats, must be ends with the dot. Now I am using here when I am submitting this one. You can see here juniors and you can see here seniors. There is no, I have not created any new column. I have created one format only. I have assigned that format to my age column. So what is my format name? AgeF only. As I said, whether that is a system defined format or user defined format, must be ends with the dot. So I have created one format only, that is a AgeF. Go to your work library. When I open my work library, you can see here one formats folder created actually. Right click, go to properties only. You can see type is a member type is a catalog, which means in last class we have discussed the prop contents procedure. We have member type basically categorized by 3 types. Member type is called data, member type is called catalog, and member type is equal to view. Remember anybody? We have discussed all these things in our last class only. Yes or no? Member type. How many member types are available in SAS? 5. Member type.
3, sir.
Okay, yeah. So member type is equal. Now when I submitted, you can see here. I have created, when I open this format, you can see only one format created, that is a AgeF only. AgeF I have created under formats catalog only. Now, what is my format name? AgeF only. You can use this format for AC dataset also. For example, I want to submit AC dataset. Now, print data is equal. My dataset name is a AC format. What is my variable name? Age is my variable. Here AgeF data I am using. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. See this here, date of joining, in format is required here. I am using same in format, date of joining for AC dataset also. Now you can see here, even AC dataset wise also, I am using the same format only. I mean, one time format creation is enough. We can use the same format for, you can see age values, we are displaying the juniors and seniors only. We have printed our values. Even we can use this AgeF format for AD dataset also while printing. One time is enough here. We can use same format for all data sets in the real-time scenario. So no need multiple times if one, if then else statement. If we create only format, we can use same format for all data sets only. Now anybody please let me know. Concentrated 25,000 to 95,000. Here below 50,000, below 50,000 implies I need low level implies. Above 50,000 implies and below 75,000 mid level implies. Above 75,000 I need high level implies. Then how to display the value? Salary is a numeric variable, but in my output window I want to display the salary values are low level, mid level, high level only. Based on that my salary. Below 50,000 I need low level. Above 50 to 75 mid level. Above 75 I need high level. Then how to create the format here? Anybody?
Prop format
Prop format lib is equal
lib
to
equals to work,
then
value,
value
salary,
F,
F,
okay, then low to
low to 55,000,
50,000. I need only 50,000. Then
low level,
low underscore level only. Low underscore level. Next,
50 to 70, sir.
above 50,001, right?
Yes, sir.
50,001 to 75,000. Okay, then mid level. Next,
70,001 to
yes,
95,000.
75,000.
75,001 to high.
High. Above high values, I need high level only. High level. Okay, semicolon. I have value is a one statement, must be ends with the semicolon. Now I am using dot format. For I have assigned the age F to age column. Next one is a salary wise. I am assigning the salary F data only. I mean salary F is in my format. I have assigned to salary column. Age F is in one more format. I have assigned to age F column. Age column only. So when I am submitting, you can see why we are displaying the all are high level. Anyone?
An underscore to the mid level. Oh, sorry.
No.
Number.
This is correct one. There is
No,
a
sorry.
50,000.
Yes.
110 ఉండాలి సార్ 5 lakhs సార్ అది.
This is a 50,000. This is a 75,000. 25,000 kaadandi. So that's the reason all this is a 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. Now I am submitting again. When I am submitting, you can see now low level, mid level, high level. Clear? Yes, then. Now anybody please let me know now. This is a new character variable region. Wherever east region is there, I need 1 only. North region I need 2. West region I need 3. South region I need 4. Then how can we do that? Anyone? Region. Then
Prop format lib equal to work.
wait. Prop format lib is equal to work only. Then value region. Then ER is equal to 1.
Equal to 1.
Then NR is equal to 2. Then now I need WR and SR. Both are 3 only. Then in that scenario,
Double equals.
sorry.
WR comma SR.
No space.
Correct. WR comma SR only. Perfect. Okay, is equal to 3. Okay, semicolon and run it. So now here, what is this region is a numeric variable or character variable? Region.
Numeric character, sir.
Age is a numeric, salary is a numeric, but region is a character variable. So if our variable is a numeric variable, then we can define the numeric format only. If my variable is a character variable, then we have to define as a character format only. Now age F is a numeric variable, salary F also numeric variable. How to identify whether that is a numeric and character means, if anybody wants to define the character variable, character format, each and every character variable must be ends with the dollar symbol. Each and every character format must be prefixed with the dollar symbol. So here region F prefix with the dollar is required. Dollar region F is required because this is a character variable. Character variable wise I am defining the character format. If our variable is a character variable, then we have to define as a character format. Then I am using dollar region F only. Now I am assigning region is my variable. I am assigning the dollar region F dot only. That is a mandatory. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, you can see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 like that only. East region we are displaying the 1, north region wise 2, west region wise 3, 1. Like that we are displaying here. Please make a note, when if you are defining the character format per character variable, each and every character format must be prefixed with the dollar symbol. Don't forget this one. Clear as of now? As of now we have created numeric format, character format. Next one is a date is there. So before I am explaining the date format, how to read the multiple date formats from outside to inside here? Anybody? By using which
Any DT,
any DT, DT, E with that is only in format. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
But we can print only one format only, our report, correct?
Yes, sir.
In format is a any DT, DT, E with that. Format is maybe DT, MMYY or MMDDYY or YY, MMDD, correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in our output window, we are displaying only one format only. But my user is expecting below 2015 format is DDMMYY format. Above 2015 to 2020 or 2022, I need what the date format. Above 2022, I need week date format. Then how can we print the multiple date formats in my output window? So under date of joining, here I use the only in format only. When we use the in format, we are displaying the number of days from 1960 January 1st. But I don't want number of days, I need exact date value. But while printing exact my date values, I don't want the same date format. If any date is below 2015, I need DDMMYY format. Above 2015 to below 2020 or 22, I need what the date format. Above 2022, I need week date format only. I want to display the different date formats in my output window under date of joining column. Then how can we do that? So that purpose we have to use, again we have to create the plot format. Lib is equal to work only, value is my statement. Here I am using date of joining also numeric variable only. Then we have to use no need any dollar symbol. Date of joining F, load to. So what is your date value? That is a 31st December 2015. But if anybody using date value, till now everybody, especially 8 to 7 p.m. batch, while practicing, I thought you used only character variables and numeric variables only in your where condition. Where X is equal to M in single quotes, where age is equal to 25. Okay, fine. But if anybody used date values here in your where condition, anybody? Yes or no? Got it my question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
డేట్ వాల్యూస్ ఎవరైనా యూజ్ చేశారా వేర్ కండిషన్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కాపీ అబౌట్ 2020 డేటా ఫ్రమ్ మై ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ డేటా సెట్ న్యూ డేటా సెట్ ఓన్లీ. ఎనీబడి ట్రైడ్ దట్ వే? Because my thought everybody only used numeric and character, I know, but date values, if anybody using date values in your where condition, don't use directly. So we have to use date of January. Wait. So here data AC set AB. Then let me know, yeah. I want to copy above 2020 data only. Then how can we do that? Anybody? Where data of joining greater than or equal to 0 from January 2021. Correct, ID? Yes or no? Got it, my point? Yes or no?
So we have to define D only with a single quote.
D? Where?
01 January 2021 D.
Directly D, like this?
No sir, single quotes with the D. 01 to 2021.
That's the reason I am saying. If anybody using date values, your date value must be used inside the single quotes and ends with the D. D stands for the date only. Okay. So if anybody using date values in your where condition, please use your date values inside the single quotes and ends with the D. D stands for the date only. If anybody using time value, your time values must be enclosed with the single quotes and ends with the T. T stands for the time only. D stands for the date only. So here also, if anybody using date values, these date values must be used inside the single quotes and ends with the D is equal to which format I am expecting? I am expecting the DD, MN, YY 10 data only. What is mean by this here? Anybody? When my date values below 31st December 2015 are low date values, I need which format? DD, MN, YY. Okay. Then next date is a 01 January 2016, right? Yes or no? 31st December 2020 day. I need which format? Here. Next.
01 January 2021.
Week date.
Next.
Hmm? 01 January 2020.
Correct? Antena? Anybody bit confusing here? My coding? Anybody?
No sir.
Somebody saying, I know, సార్ ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్తున్నాడు అని మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి, ఫాస్ట్ అయితే చెప్పండి. ఐ విల్ రిపీట్ అగైన్. ఎనీబడి నాట్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో. Date of joining, then what is my format here? Date of joining, F dot. Antena? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Now if I am submitting this one, we cannot see the proper output. See this here, DDMMYY, what day, week date, date 9 only. We are not displaying the exact date value. We are displaying the our DD, this label only. I don't want this value. I need exact DDMMYY format. So especially while using date formats, your format, whatever format you are expecting, that format must be inside this square bracket only. This bracket. Don't forget this one. Please make a note this also. So square bracket is a mandatory. Inside the square bracket, we have to mention our formats only. Now I have mentioned the square. Don't use flower bracket or curly bracket. Always we have to use the square bracket only. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, you can see here first two are which format here? First two DDMMYY. Next two are what did it? Next three are weekday. Last two are date 9 that only. Alphanumeric. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So we have printed in my report multiple date formats only. Okay, we can read the multiple date formats by using any dt e with dot. But we cannot display the multiple date formats. But I need multiple date formats only. If anybody needed multiple date formats, then you have to create your own format only. Okay, please, this is my own format. I have assigned this format to date of joining variable only. So whatever format I have mentioned, we can display those formats in the final report. So this is a proc format procedure we have done. When we create any format, member type is equal to catalog. All data sets member type is data. All formats member type is catalog only. This here, this is a catalog. When you created any format, so these formats by default saved under work library. You can see one folder. That is a folder actually. That folder name is a formats only. Right click, go to properties. This folder type is a catalog only. Indirectly, all formats member type is equal to catalog. So when I open this formats catalog, you can see whatever formats you have created, you can see all formats inside the work.formats catalog only. So this is. Now I want to print my format only. Then how can we do that? I want to print, for example, I want to print AGF only. Here proc print data is not useful. Then we have to use proc format lib is equal to work only. Then we have to use fmt lib. Fmt lib means format lib. Then select. So if I am submitting this one, we can display the all formats only. Whatever formats are available under work library, we can display the all formats in my output window. Now I am submitting. You can see. So we have printed all formats. First one is a format name is a AGF. What is mean by AGF? You can see start values. You can see the end value. Low to 25, I need label is a juniors only. 26 to high, I need label is a seniors only. Like this. So you can see this is a region F. Dollar symbol is there. Dollar region F. ER is a my region. That is a label is a 1. Now you can see NR is a region. Label is equal to 2. I mean when my region is equal to NR, I need 2. When my region is equal to SR and WR, I need region is equal to 3. So when if anybody wants to print the formats in your output window, you have to use proc format lib is equal to work, and extra one more option is required, that is a fmt lib only. I don't want to display the all formats. I need only one format only. Then you have to use select. Select which one is required. I need age f dot only. Age f dot, which means I want to print the only one format, that is a age f only. Okay, so wait here. Okay, this is not required. Directly we can submit. Now we have printed age f format. We have printed. You can see start value. You can see end value. Low is a my start. End is a 25. Then final I need user defined label is a juniors. Otherwise it's a seniors. So like that we can display it. When we submitted first one, we can display the all formats by using select, or by using, we can use exclude also. When we use exclude, only age of we are excluding. Remaining whatever it is there, we can print all formats in my output window, exclude age of only. So we are displaying the DOJF, we are displaying the salary F, we are displaying the dollar region only. But we are not printed age of, because I use the exclude statement here. Select and exclude, we can use it in our proc format procedure along with the fmt lib. fmt lib main purpose is printing purpose. If anybody wants to print your format values in your output window, please use the fmt lib. So this is a proc format procedure we have done. Anybody, any doubt, please let me know. Yes. Yeah. Clear? Doubt? No? Clear, sir. So then we'll go for next procedure tomorrow. Yeah. tomorrow I will explain one more procedure. Okay, so please go for practice. Yeah, if no doubts means we can close this today's session.
Belated happy Sankranti, sir.
Thank you. Wish you the same, everybody. So I will meet everyone in offline. So I am seeing only 4 members in my offline batch every day. If anybody is saying in Hyderabad, please come and meet. At least meet once here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we'll meet. Tomorrow is equal to data. Member type is equal to catalog. For example, crop contents. Data is equal. What is my data set name here? What is the default output, Tarun, if I am submitting this one? Discussed, right?
Data, yes, sir.
Member type is equal to
Data, sir.
data, because this is a data set only. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay, but format's member type is equal to
catalog.
Okay, we have proc print data, proc catalog data also. The separate procedure is there, proc catalog. At the time you can get more idea. Proc catalog.
Okay.
So
Okay.
proc catalog only specially designed for member type is equal to catalog. So okay,
Okay.
yeah. Tarun, are you working or anywhere you are working?
No, sir. Assistant professor, actually.
No,
But
assistant.
not in the corporate field.